Welcome to pattern making class. I'm your college instructor, Annette Julie, fashion designer and production pattern maker to the garment industry. Today we're going to be working on transferring our back shoulder dart into the neck position. So you're going to need your full scale basic back bodice, paper scissors, pens and pencils, possibly tape, pattern making ruler, full scale basic back bodice, pattern making weights, or some little cans will do for weights. And let's start by putting a grain line right here for our center back. Try to use the middle of these numbers and letters and little X's if you have the alphanumeric paper. Place down your basic back bodice, lining up with that grain line. You can weight it down. Grab your pattern making weights or your little cans. Weight that down, get that on grain. And now let's go ahead and trace off our waist, our back waist dart notches, our side seam, back armhole, 2 notches denoting back, our shoulder seam, notches for the shoulder dart, and our neckline. Let's get the tips of the darts. Yep, that looks good. And I went ahead and I marked my HBL, my horizontal balance line here. Mine's down almost 4 inches from the center back neck, but it's 1/4 of the center back length. I'm going to draw the dart legs. That was for the shoulder dart. Now we're down to the waist and drawing those waist dart legs. And then you can always draw another line parallel with the original grain line you made. Another grain line with our arrows going both directions. This is our back bodice, and we're going to be transferring the shoulder dart to neckline dart. Let's go ahead here in our neckline, pick like a mid position. Yeah, right about there. That looks good. Halfway. And then we don't want that dart going straight down. We want to angle it a little bit. So angle that. And if I went here, if my neckline is about almost about 3.5, right? So I'm about 1 3/8, 1 3/4, and so here I'm going to probably go out at least 2.5 inches. Let's see what 2.5 inches looks like. Yeah, I think that'll make a nice dart. I could go out 3. This is your choice. Could be 3, 2.5. Now we're going to connect a line, positioning where our new dart is going to be for our back neck. We're going to transfer this to this. Now let's go ahead and let's draw slash line. Here from our dart leg closest to the back neck to our new position. Now we're going to go ahead and slash our neckline down to the horizontal balance line. Okay, that's where we're going to put the new dart. Now we're going to go down to the shoulder where we've drawn one slash line here. We're going to slash down to the horizontal balance line as well. And now we're going to take this piece. It could be connected, or if it becomes unconnected, that's fine. We're going to slash and close here, and we're going to open up the new dart position in the neckline. But I think I'm going to take that off because I want to make sure that my shoulders blend really nice. There's my new position. I'm going to tape this down. And I've covered up the dart so that the space opened up over here. We brought that dart leg over and covered it up. We can't see that dart anymore. But we do see a new space for a new dart in the neckline. So you can grab a piece of scrap paper. I'm also going to trim my paper a little bit so we can see it. See the pattern a little better. Need to grab a piece of scrap paper or take some off the edge here. Take a piece of paper and put it underneath. That looks good. Now we don't want the dart that long. We're going to go ahead and make this 3 inches. So we're going to go down 3 inches and mark it. Then we're going to find the middle of that space to position our dart tip. And now we're going to bring that back up to our neckline. Connecting the dart legs that we would sew. Now we have our new position, and this is our dart tip. Then we would have our back off point where we would place our drill hole, 1/2 inch away. And this dart is now gone. Now you can put tape on the back if you want to. I'm going to fold from the dart tip. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold my new dart. I'm going to crease the line, the dart leg closest to the center back, and lift it up and place it right on top of the new one there. Flatten everything down. You may tape. Make magic tape, there we go. Or wait up by the neckline, and then look, let's blend that neckline so we don't have any bumps, have everything nice and smooth. I'm going to take the happy difference there, the happy in between, and I could use a tracing wheel, my pen, or fold to get that little crease. I could also cut it while it's in position, but I'm going to put seam allowance on this later. So I'll leave it like that. There's our shoulder dart transferred to the neckline. No more dart. Now we have a neckline dart. This is Annette Julie. Thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to having you watch my next one. Au revoir.